Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use File Dock on OnePlus. This feature is incredibly useful for quickly accessing and managing your files. It acts like a temporary holding area for documents, images, and even text, making your workflow smoother. You can easily find it by swiping left from your home screen or by navigating to the shelf, ready to assist you with your daily tasks. Adding files to your File Dock is straightforward. First, locate the file you wish to add, whether it's an image from your gallery, a document from your file manager, or even a piece of text. Simply long press on that item and a menu will appear. From there, select the Add to File Dock option, and your chosen item will be instantly available in the dock. Once your files are in the File Dock, managing them is simple. Just open the File Dock to see everything you've stored. If you need to perform an action on a specific file, long press it. This will bring up options to share the file with others, move it to a permanent location, or delete it if it's no longer needed. It gives you full control. Accessing and using your docked files is incredibly efficient. You can easily drag and drop files directly from the File Dock into other applications, saving you several steps. Alternatively, a single tap on any file in the dock will open it instantly with its default application. Remember, these files stay in the dock until you decide to manually remove them, offering persistent convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.